This is the NOKIA G60 smartphone, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can enable and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the keyboard itself. Then look for this icon over here if it is not present at the little top keyboard features bar. In your case, expand this little menu by tapping on these three horizontal dots. So once at the clipboard section, turn this toggle on and activate the clipboard this way. In order to remove the elements you have at your clipboard, tap on a pencil, select what elements you would like to erase, and then click on a trash bin. In order to use the elements, just tap on them and it will be successfully pasted into, whatever typing bar you have launched the keyboard with. If you would like to add, on the other hand, anything to your clipboard, just copy any piece of text or even a single character, works just fine. And once we get back to the clipboard, we'll see that it has been successfully added as the most recent element. If you would like to pin the element to the clipboard, just long press on it and go for the pin option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.